Hello everyone, Mailman here. Today's going to be something different. It's not going to be about silver. We're going to try to make an alcohol stove out of an aluminum beer bottle and a pocket knife. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we want to cut this top off. Boy, this is some thick aluminum though. Yeah. I don't know if we can do it or not, but we'll give it a shot. I think the Coors Light beer bottles are a little bit thinner aluminum, so you'd have better luck, but this is the only one I had. My neighbor gave me a beer last night, and this is what it was, so. Oh, I think this is going to be the thickest part, too, so bam! Alright, we got that. We want to go a little bit below this rim. It's hard to see because of the backlighting I got back there of the window. But we just want to go below this rim. Oh, 1/4 inch. This might not work so good. I usually use scissors, but thought I'd give it a whack with just a pocket knife. See how we turn out here. See if it works or not. It's going to be very crude. Okay. See if I can straighten this out a little bit without cutting myself up. I'm going to try to do this with just a pocket knife alone. Alright, that's about as good as I'm going to get it. For now. I bet it'll work. Try to smooth out these edges a little bit without slicing my fingers all to pieces. Alright. This is going to be the insert for the stove. Alright, now we need the outside part of the stove. See, this insert's going to go inside this can just like that. Let's try cutting it off right below the Bud Light here. Right there. We'll try right there. Well, it cuts a lot easier down at this bottom end. It's not as thick of the aluminum here. Hope I don't screw this up. Of course, this is not a very good knife. You don't want to use one of your good knives. It's going to dull it all to crap. So I got an old knife. It's just sitting out in the shop. Ah, there we go. The bottom. And we're going to try to get this into there. Try. Being such a rough cut, this may not work. I'm going to have to use an ink pen, so much for my idea of just a pocket knife. I want to get this a little bit smoother so I get that thing down in there. Ooh, I see some water or beer in there still. Let's need a paper towel. Actually it's water because I rinsed it out. All right. All right, we got that smoothed out pretty good. Oh yeah, I believe this is gonna work. Okay, we stuck this top into this bottom just like that. Okay, next thing we want to do is just poke a few holes around this rim. We'll go with about every ½ inch or so. Don't stab yourself. If I stab myself, you can laugh. That's okay. Oh shit, that's too big. Still might work. Come on. Best thing for this is a tack. You just poke a little tiny hole. But if you're in an emergency situation out in the... Well, you ain't gonna have no fuel, so that don't matter. Okay. We got a few really rough holes in this thing. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. Get that fit down there as snug as you could get it. Okay, I'm going to set this on something. We're going to start a fire in my house. Alcohol stoves. You can use alcohol. Alcohol burns yellow. And it will dirty up your pan and everything. But this gas line treatment in the yellow bottle burns super clean. So let's get a tiny bit in there. Ooh. Whoa, shit. There we go. We'll try that out and see if this works. Try on something a little bit more durable. If I set my house on fire, it's okay. I got $349,000 insurance, so burn, baby, burn. This fuel burns so clean, you can't even see the flame barely. Okay, all right, we'll give it a few minutes. See what happens here. See if we get any flamage coming out these holes. I hope so. We may not. Uh-oh. That ain't good. Come on. Let's turn off some lights so you can see that flame. There we go. Very crude. But it works. Alcohol stove, pocket knife, and aluminum beer can bottle. Alright, I'm going to go cook me up some ramen noodles. Bellman out.